Okay, so I'm going to show you now how to use your plan to write your ingredients. So if we have a look here, I know that I've got 3 eggs, a handful of garden worms. Okay, so I'm going to start putting those on to my task now. I'm going to put a sentence to start actually. You will need, and then I'm going to list them. So I had 3 eggs, I had a handful of garden worms, 6 twigs. Okay, so I'm going to pop those, just going to copy those on. Okay, and just make sure the size of the text is the same. Now, that's not finished because you've just copied from the plan. We need to include these adjectives. So, rotten, I wanted to describe my eggs as rotten. So, I'm going to have 3 rotten eggs. Okay, I need a handful to make that make sense. A handful of garden worms. Twigs. Did I describe the twigs? Oh, yes, I said broken. So I'm going to add that in there. 6 broken twigs. Okay. And spider legs or thin spider legs and dirty puddle water. So 2 thin spider legs and a cupful to make sure it makes sense. So make these little letters because they're not actually full sentences. A cupful of dirty puddle water. Okay, I might just do a space there. So that makes it really clear what we're going to need. Okay, so that's how you use your plan to finish your ingredients.